welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a video that's going to be a little bit different from me, only because you guys know, if you've been following me for a long time, I've said it so many times. I like to play in makeup. I love makeup. I love getting makeup. However, I don't really do my makeup on video. It seems just so weird to me. It's just, I don't know if it's just something for me. It's just a little weird, but I need to get out of that bubble. That's what I need to say. I need to pop that bubble and be able to share with you guys makeup that I'm actually buying or hauling, or that companies actually send me. For instance, like this makeup palette that I got from this company, and I actually did a full face, which you will see. Yes, you guys are gonna see this. Oh my gosh. So this company called the Juno is Juno. I don't want to show my address, but it's Juno. If I wanted to review one of their brand new palettes that they had coming out, I'm trying to get this situated. That one of these brand new palettes that they had coming out, and I was like, yes, I would love to. I love makeup. So over this palette called Summer Nights. Now the packaging is beautiful. I just love that. I think it's really, really pretty. So they sent that over to me, and for me to review it, and it's called Mad Love. Now this packaging, the outer cover was just like regular, but when you touch this right here, it's like a velvet. It feels so nice. It's so pretty. Now before I open this and show you guys, when they contacted me, I went onto their website and I was like, okay, I had never heard of them. So I was like, you know, I always research stuff before I say yeah. Like, I don't just say yes to all companies that may get in contact with me. I have to look at their website and be like, okay, maybe this is something that I would like to try out. That way I can share it with you guys. So I went on their website, and I think I went on to the new arrivals first, and I was scrolling through their stuff, and they have so many things on there, like makeup palettes, all kinds of stuff, as you probably are seeing on the screen. They had a lot of stuff, and it reminded me of another website that has very nice makeup for very, very low cost, and that's exactly the same as this site. And then after the new arrivals, I went over to bestsellers, and I was looking at what they had on there, and they have some really, really nice stuff. So after I looked at that, I told them, yeah, they can send me over these two products. I'm so happy they did. So this is the palette. This whole front part is a mirror, which I know are the colors, and it's called Summer Nights. And as you can see, these colors would get you through summer nights. These are so pretty. I love that blue. I love the purple. Just all of these colors, and I like the little names: High Ground, Bravo. This one is called Bleach, Good Girl. My favorite, Purple Rain, right here. And this blue is called Skywalker, and then you have a black. So let me just show you real quick. So just one swatch of the blue, and you guys, this is so nice. It's really creamy. It's really nice. And from my experience in using it, here's the purple that I am actually wearing. Now you'll see in my video when I'm doing my makeup, if I would have used my white base, my milk base primer for my eyeshadow, these colors would have popped. But because I don't like to be super duper dramatic, now if I was going out to a club or something, or going out at night for dinner or whatever, I would have made it pop a little more, but I wanted to keep it kind of subtle. So I used my beige primer, so that the color just basically came out like this. But these colors would pop with the right primer if you wanted that look. So those were the two favorite. Let's do this gold one. There's the gold. These colors are beautiful. And then in my crease, I did do this burgundy, which is called High Ground, and that looks like that. So there is some mattes in here. Then you have some glitter colors. The purple, the blue, the silver is more like a glitter, and this whole row down here, the black and this brown, is more like a matte. So you get a range of different colors in here. Really, really pretty. And you guys, when you see their website, if you check them out, let me wipe these off my fingers. I have my wipes right here. But if you check them out, you will see that the prices on their palettes are very well priced. So I was very excited when after I looked at their website for me to actually get this product and review it for you guys. Then the next thing they sent me, honey, let me tell you, it has changed the game. They sent me this micro, they actually sent me two. This is the one I just used in the video. I need to go clean it. But they sent me two of these, and this is a microfiber velvet sponge. It says if you're looking for a more natural airbrushed foundation finish, the Juno microfiber velvet sponge is your go-to, made with velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlled stippling. The Juno microfiber velvet sponge provides buildable coverage fast. Honey, I do not like beauty sponges. I've tried them in the past. I have used them. I do not like them. This, however, I'm going to open it because I want to show you while it's clean. My other one right there is dirty since I just finished filming for you guys. So this is what it looks like while it's not wet. And as you can see, it looks velvety. It has these little tiny little like white hairs. You know what velvet feels like? Oh my gosh, you guys. This feels so nice. Oh my god, and it has the flat side, then you have the rounded side. You even have the flat bottom that you can, stand it up. And the point to get in those areas right there. I'm so happy. They had sent an email and said that they were able to send two of these. At first I was like, oh, it's just a makeup sponge. I'm so happy they sent two. This one is the dirty one that I need to go clean after I'm done doing this. But as you can see too, this is smaller because it hasn't been wet. Once it's wet, it gets a little puffy. But it also states that you can use it. It came with a little paper in here, and it says that you can use it dry as well if you wanted to. So I thought that was really, really cool. And then they also threw a little card in here. It says, hello, lovely. And yeah, so I am giving Juno and Co. Juno Company, Juno and Co. I am giving them a thumbs up, you guys. This palette is really nice, and for the price of it, it's definitely something you might want to look into. And if you can get your hands on one of these, you will love it. It does. When I was using it, you can automatically see the airbrush look to it. And like I said, I am by no means a beauty guru. I am not a professional. I just know what I know, and I like what I like, and I like this. And that is why I'm really selective with choosing products that I like people to send me to try out. Because if it's something I don't like, normally I won't even do a video to share it with you guys, because I don't want to bash the company, and that has been something that I've done, and if I don't like it, I just don't. But when I really like something and I feel like I want to share it with you guys, I will make the video to show you. Now I'm gonna quit running my mouth and let you guys watch me. Don't judge me. I'm gonna let you guys watch me put on my makeup. I'm so shy right now. Like, I don't know. I'm like, am I really going to put that up? Am I really going to do that? I am, no. I am. It's just something that I'm not used to. But I know you guys is my girls, and you guys is going to support me. Hey, everybody does their makeup different. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. guys enjoyed that. Everything that I used in the video from all the products that I use, I will try to link everything down below. What was there something what did I do in my video? Oh, I wanted to put on eyelashes, but when I'm done with this video, I need to run out and go to the grocery store. So I decided to kind of keep it simple. I just used my regular mascara, but you could throw on some eyelashes, and I could have did a lipstick, but I didn't. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. So thank you guys all for watching. I will link all the information down in the description box. Make sure you check that out if you want to check them out, because they get a thumbs up from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.